hybrid class. We have class that's online and we have class that's in the clay studio. The clay studio classes, I have tried to set up the class so that you can come prepared. You've watched videos, you know what you need to do, you've seen the demonstration, or you know what the assignment is that's coming up or whatever. I've tried to set up the class so that you can get yourself prepared online and come to class and work. The most important thing, the reason I begged to be able to offer this class on campus is to get you access to these wheels and this clay and this space and these kilns. So class time is going to be you working. Now, it is hard for me to overstate how important it is for you to be able to work on your pottery when I'm in the studio with you. Because I've been doing this a long time. I can come through and take a look at what you're doing and say, here's what you're doing right, here's something to change, a little shift here, a little adjustment there, and you will be throwing better. So that's a big part of having me around. So you can also watch me demo. So if you need a demonstration, if a thing in a video just did not make sense, it's fine. I'm happy to do that demonstration. I'm happy to throw. And on the first day, I'll certainly plan that I do that. But we have a limited amount of time on campus, and so as much as I can get you stuff online in the video demos, that'll save you time on campus. If you have to sit and watch me demo, that takes up more of your throwing time. And so the way it's set up is you do the online video, you come to class, you say, I already know what this is, and go practice. And then if you get to a sticking point and you need some help, I'm there, I can demo, or I can come watch you, or a combination of both. For the very first day, if you want to, what would be awesome is if you did a tour of the studio, you saw how to set up your wheel, you saw how to get your tools, and you watched the first centering and throwing demo. Now, that's a lot of information, and so we'll see how far that gets you. I am also planning to do demos of all those pieces, and so people who've already watched and already know what's up can, based on the videos, can just go ahead and get started. Those who need the demo, stay with me, we'll get you started, and some of you may be somewhere in between. You may find, I need this demo, I don't need that demo. And so that is going to allow us to do two things this quarter. One is it just speeds things up for you, right? For you, you can move a little faster. But the other is it allows us to kind of spread out a bit. I'm trying, because of the 3-foot distancing rules, I'm trying to have us not have everybody crowd together and watch a demo. That's also why I'm planning to have our critiques happen online, because we're not supposed to be crowding together.